Wait, the bits just turned up. Let's have a look. What we got? What we got? What we got? We got some X-maxx parts. And we got some UDR bits and pieces. Oh, I've been waiting for these for ages. Now suddenly I've got a pair. Now more showed up. And last but not least, we got some TRX-4 parts. We got these inner wheel arches, fenders, and these are the ones that come out of the kit version, so that you can fit these to the actual truck, and then you can fit normal body shells. I'm not sure how these go on yet. Hopefully there's everything in there that we need, but we'll have a little play with that at some point. Other bits that we got, some chrome bumpers. I wanted to get some chrome bumpers to put onto this Chevy body. It's quite funny actually, look, it says on here, officially licensed Ford product going onto a Chevy body. That's going to make some people happy, isn't it? Another one here, this is the front bumper. More UDR parts. A couple more TRX-4 parts here. Hoping that these bumper mounts are going to be the right height. I mean, there's a few different options. This is a front mount, flip the other way up. You can also put a rear mount on there, flip it either way. And there's also, on the Bronco, there's some different versions of these that are different heights. And I did order those, but they haven't come yet. So if these are the wrong height, then hopefully the Bronco ones will be the right height. Let's have a quick look what's going on. I've been wanting some chrome bumpers for this for ages, and I was even thinking about making some. So this... Oh, get it out of there. Oh, maybe not, guys. Look. Oh, no. Yeah, definitely too wide. Maybe we can cut some off the edges, maybe. Possibly. Oh, guys, I'm a bit disappointed with that. It's just too wide. It doesn't look right. It's too wide. Wrong. It sticks out too far. I mean, if I pushed it in more, then the wheels are going to hit it. Look, it can't go in anymore. So, I don't know. Back to the drawing board on that one, guys. Give me a note in the comments, guys, if you've got any options, what I can do to this to get some nice looking bumpers on it. Probably have to start making my own, won't I? Also, here's my other TRX-4. This one's been out in the water, and it's not too healthy now. All the servos are packed up. I think all of these are packed up as well. Here's the receiver. That's packed up. The bearings are all seized up. So we're going to have a rebuild video coming up with this one very, very soon. And we just did a video of this in Cambridge. We was taking this through some rivers and stuff. And I've still got to edit that video up, so that should be up in the next few days. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. See you soon, guys. Bye!